Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an account on Hostinger in 2025, step by step and super easy. If you've been thinking about starting a website, blog, or online store, this is the very first step you need. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, click on the Get Started or Sign Up button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Next, you'll need to choose your hosting plan. Hostinger offers different options like shared hosting, WordPress hosting, or cloud hosting. If you're just starting out, I recommend going with the most affordable shared hosting plan. It's more than enough for beginners, and you can always upgrade later as your site grows. After you select your plan, Hostinger will ask you to create your account. You can sign up in 3 different ways: using your email address, signing in with your Google account, or using Facebook. For most people, entering your email and creating a password is the simplest route. Just make sure your password is strong and secure. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Here, choose how long you want your hosting plan to last. Hostinger usually gives big discounts if you pick a longer term, like 12 or 24 months. Now, add your payment details. Hostinger supports multiple methods like credit or debit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, and sometimes even cryptocurrencies depending on your region. Enter your details carefully and complete the payment. After your payment is successful, congratulations, you now officially have a Hostinger account. From here, you can log into your H-Panel dashboard. This is where you'll manage your hosting, set up your website, install WordPress, connect your domain, and much more. And that's it. Your Hostinger account is ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy tech and business guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.